Hello everyone, let's prevent a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is basically 8 to the power x times 8 to the power x is equal to 80. So what is the value of x? Now, we find that this exponential equation, 8 to the power x times 8 to the power x, this is in the form of 8 to the power n times 8 to the power m, which we can express as 8 to the power n plus m. Now, applying this property, we'll have 8 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 80. So we'll have 8 to the power x plus x, which is 2x. This is equal to 80. So now to solve for the value of x here, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides, so that we'll have log 8 to the power 2x. This is equal to log 80. And we find that log 8 to the power 2x, this is in the form of log 8 to the power n, which you can express as n log a. So applying this power rule property of logarithm, log 8 to the power 2x becomes 2x log 8. This is equal to log 80. So let's divide both sides by log 8. So that now, in this case, we'll have 2x. This is equal to 2x is equal to log 80 divided by log 8. And now we find that 80 can be expressed as 16 multiplied by 5, of which we can express further 16 as 2 to the power 4, okay? And that means that 80 can be expressed as 2 to the power 4 times 5, okay? And we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So in this case, we'll have 2x is equal to log 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 5. And this divided by log 2 to the power 3. So let's proceed from here. Now here we have 2x is equal to log 2 to the power 4 times 5. So in this case, log 2 to the power 4 times 5, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this property, we'll have 2x, this is equal to log 2 to the power 4 divided by log 2 to the power 3 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to the power 3. The next step here, we'll have 2x, this is equal to, now applying the power rule property, log 2 to the power 4 becomes 4 log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3, which becomes 3 log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to the power 3 becomes 3 log 2. Now let's simplify here. Simplify log 2 and log 2, so that now we'll have 2x, this is equal to 4 over 3, okay, plus this is 1 over 3. Now log 5 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now applying this particular property, that means that we'll have a third log 5 to base 2. Now let's divide both sides by 2. Let's divide both sides by 2, so that now x is equal to, this is the same thing as 4 over 3 times a half plus 1 over 3 times a half log 5 to base 2. Now we will have now the value of x as, now let's simplify here. 4 divided by 2, this is 2, so we'll have 2 over 3 plus, this is 1 over 6 log 5 to base 2. Now from here you find that a third is common here, so we can factor out a third, so that we'll have a third, this is 2 plus, now this is half log 5 to base 2. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Now let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Let's verify Let's verify. Now, if you recall, we end at 8 to the power x multiplying by 8 to the power. Now, let's verify that the value of x, which is a third into the bracket 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we end at 8 to the power x times 8 to the power x. This should give us a value of 80. We simplify this further to 8 to the power 2x. This should give us a value of 80. So let's substitute the value of x. So here we'll have 8 to the power 2 into the parentheses. This is a third, okay? Again, into the parentheses, this is 2 plus half log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. Let's check if this is true. So we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So let's substitute this. So we'll have 2 to the power 3 times 2 into the parentheses. This is a third, okay? 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. Now let's simplify here on the first part. So 3 and 3 simplifies. So that means we'll have 2 to the power 2 times 2, which is 4, plus, now here we have 3 and 2. So 3 and 3 will simplify, and then 2 and 2 will simplify. So that means we'll have log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. Okay, so the next step here, 2 to the power 4, this is essentially equal to, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and this is equal to 16. Now, here we have 16, okay? 16 times, now remember this is 2 to the power 4 plus log 5, this is in the form of 8 to the power n plus m, which we can transform as 8 to the power n times 8 to the power m, okay? 8 to the power m. Applying this property, that's why we have 2 to the power 4, which is 16, times 2 to the power log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. Now, 2 to the power log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of m to the power log a to base m. This should give us a value of a. So that means that 2 to the power log 5 to base 2, this is equal to 5. Let's substitute the value of 5 here. So already we have 16. So 16 times 5, this should give us a value of 80. So 16 times 5, this is 80. And that shows that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, which is basically a third into the parentheses, 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and more importantly, subscribe.